I love classic trucks, but there's a couple things about them that I do not love, and one of those things is being the glass fuses inside the fuse panel. Now luckily, FlexFuse has an awesome solution for me, and it's one that I definitely want to share with you guys today, so stick around for today's video. On the table in front of me, I have a wiring harness from a '69 Mustang, and then in front of that, I have the FlexFuse AGC to ATO fuse converters. Now, if you're unsure of what these are gonna do, basically you can take your AGC style fuse out, which is the glass fuse, and throw it in the trash. And then from there, you'll plug in your converter, so that way you can run an ATO modern style fuse. Now, I'm sure your first question is, why would you want to switch these out? And if you've ever had to work around these old glass fuses before, then you know exactly why. They're very hard to read, they're not too durable, and when you're trying to take them out, they usually break. So by switching over to an ATO modern style fuse, they're super easy to read, super easy to change, and they're not glass, so they're a lot more durable. As far as installing the FlexFuse converter, it's a pretty easy job as well. So let's take a look at the fuse panel that's on this harness, show you the old fuse that's in it, and then show you how to install this new FlexFuse converter. So we're gonna pop out these old outdated fuses, and if you've never done this before, be careful. These things are made out of glass and they will break. As you can see in this top one up here, it is broken because when I tried taking it out, guess what happened? It broke. So just grab like a flathead or something and pop it up. It's usually not that easy, but hopefully it's that easy for you, and just kind of keep working along on the rest of them until you get them all out. So as you can see, that one definitely broke there. Really wasn't trying to break it because I just got glass all on my face, but unfortunately it happened. I just have one more here and hopefully it doesn't break. And we got lucky on that one. Now that we have those crappy old glass fuses out, it's time to install the awesome flex fuses. So these are the converter parts, and simply you're just gonna put them into the exact same spot that you took your glass fuse out. Now, I see what you're thinking here. There's small ones, there's big ones. You're probably thinking that you're gonna have to buy multiple sizes. That's actually wrong. What's actually pretty cool about these flex fuses is that they're adjustable. So if you want to make them shorter, you honestly just have to twist and kind of push in, and then it'll get shorter. But if you need them to be longer, you do the opposite. You just twist and pull out until you get the correct length that you need. All right, so after you have the correct length, you'll put it in its spot. Just like that. Stick your other ones in. And we'll get our last one in here, which is already the size we need. All right, now that you have them in, you can grab your new modern style ATO fuses and put them into the correct spots. So for example, one will go there. One there. And then one there. Now, one other thing I do want to mention that's pretty cool, I'm actually going to pull this fuse back out. But let's say you want to add an accessory or something that's going to need power. What you can actually do is, on some of these converters, they'll have this tab out here, so you can actually just grab your wire, put it on the end, and then now whatever you needed to have power will have power. If you're interested in picking up flex fuses, head over to our website, cjponyparts.com, where you can pick up one individually, or you can actually pick from one of our vehicle-specific kits. That way you don't have to spend any time researching on exactly which ones you need. Now, I'd love to hear all of your guys' opinion on flex fuses down in the comments below. In my opinion, these things are a major win in my book, and I'm super happy that we have them in stock at CJ's. Now it's time to drop your gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for any classic truck parts, click the link down below in the description.